All right, so we are in Microsoft Word, and I want to teach you how to set the document for MLA. So you have these different tabs here, right? Your file, your home, your insert, draw, design, layout, references, mailings, review. And so the first thing you want to do is insert page numbers. So you're going to click the insert tab, scroll all the way down, go all the way to the very end, and you're going to see page numbers or page number. Okay, click it, top of page, and you want to do plain number 3. Okay, and go off to the side here, hit your space button, and type in Smith. So you should have a space in between Smith and 1. And then double click out of the header so that you are back in the main document. So then you want to now set the document up in terms of being able to use a specific type of font and size, and also to make sure that the document is double spaced. So right here under Calibri body, click the down button. Okay, and I usually use Times New Roman, but if you do not use it, you can always type it in Times New Roman. Hit the enter button, and then you're going to go over to the font size, scroll down all the way to 12, and now your document is going to be in Times New Roman 12. So then you want to make sure that it is double spaced. So this up and down arrow, line and paragraph spacing, click that, and you want to be at 2.0. Okay, so now you're at 2.0. The problem with this sometimes, though, it creates extra spacing. So go back again, line and paragraph spacing, click it again, and you're going to remove space after paragraph. Click that. All right, so begin typing Jane Smith, hit your enter button, Professor Favors, enter button again, English 1301, and then you add your section number. So I'm just going to add just any section number for right now. So 818 8181, I can't deny 81839, and then enter button. And then the date is today is 09 October 2022. Hit the enter button again. Okay, so now you're on the left line. Your whole document is left aligned, and then you want to center your title. So where you see here, where you see align left, center, align right, and justify, you want to click center. Okay, so click center, then type in, say, annotated bibliography, right, or personal statement, right? And once you click enter, it's going to still be centered. So you want to be sure that you go back, align left. Okay, now you're on the left line. But to start a paragraph, or say for instance, this was a personal statement or just an essay, you would need to start a paragraph, then you would click the tab button and begin typing here, right? And then this should go all the way until the next page. So if we do this, let me take this out for a minute and just put personal statement or reading summary or anything like that, right? Okay, and then we go all the way, say for instance we just typing anything, type all the way to the end, to the end, to the end, to the end, and you should have a natural break. So let's see if we can get back out of that and just begin typing, continue typing, 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 period. right, and you see that there is a clear double space in between. And so what I really wanted to do was try to get to the next page, but the next page should be Smith 2, Smith 3, Smith 4, right? So this is how you set up the document. Make sure that you insert page number. So insert page number, top of page, plain number 3. So it's already in there. And then once you're in the header information, type your last name, and it should populate on or paginate on every page. After that, double click out of the header and then begin typing. Um, then begin setting up your page. So that means you want to set it up for Times New Roman, font size 12, line and page spacing 2.0. Go back again and it'll give you the option to remove space after paragraph, and then you should just begin typing. So hopefully this was helpful.